friends! So for today's video I thought it would be fun to do a quick little mini makeover of this candle holder that I have on my mantle. You can see it's just got a clear tube with a candle inside, and I thought it would be kind of fun to chalk something on that glass tube that holds the candle. So I pulled out my shimmer paste. I was kind of going between a couple different colors, and I ended up settling on the shimmer gold because I thought that would look really nice. And then I went through my transfers and found a background transfer that kind of looked like branches because my mantle has mostly greenery on it, so that I can kind of keep it a wintry theme past Christmas. So I went ahead and I put that transfer on my glass, the glass cylinder right there, trying to make sure that I laid it flat and tried to get most of the bubbles out of there. Sometimes it's a little hard to do that on a curved surface, but I did my best. And then I just started chalking on here, and I can't wait to see how it turns out. So I'm not sure what happened to the end of that recording and why it stopped, but once I pulled the transfer off, I love how this turned out. I love the shimmer gold on here, and you'll notice that the transfer didn't cover the entire glass tube, and I'm okay with that. The bottom part is going to be covered by that wreath there, and then there's a little bit in the back that's not going to be showing, but I don't think that's going to matter. If it does, I can go back and chalk the back, so we'll see. But I have this wreath that I want to put around the base, and it's a little bit too small for this cylinder. It's meant for a pillar candle, so I just simply cut that, and then I'm going to put that in my holder. So I put the tube in there. You can see I already have the candle in there, and then putting the wreath in there was a little tricky. I was trying to slide that in there without scraping up the paste on that glass tube that I had just chalked, but once I kind of wiggled it in there, it worked just fine, and then I was able to kind of move around the greenery, and then you'll see here in a second once I turn the candle on. By the way, I love these battery operated candles. They flicker. They are my favorite. I will make sure to link them in the description down below where I found these, but you'll see once I put the wreath in there, you can't tell where the spots that I wasn't able to chalk on there, so it worked just fine. I love how it turned out. I hope you like this project, and thanks for watching.